Right, hello everybody and welcome back to TMG Trades, the best place on YouTube to get you up-to-date Bitcoin and cryptocurrency analysis, because as soon as I've done it and completed the analysis, I post it straight to YouTube. And in today's video, well, I've currently got the same Bitcoin trade that I had open on the main channel in yesterday's video. That was a long position from around $38,200. However, I have since added more kind of margin into that position, increased the size of that position, and it's now a $528,000 long position. And to show you how it's getting along right now, as you can see, look, we're currently around $7,500 in profit. In yesterday's live stream, we were around $5,000 in a loss. Our entry is here on the chart right now, which is currently sitting around $38,342. But I'm very expecting right now that Bitcoin is headed for a breakout above this resistance level, and a breakout above this resistance level, well, that's where things get really, really tasty for Bitcoin. That's where the price of everything is going to start rallying fairly quickly. Now, as it sits right now, we're kind of just on this resistance level. It depends on how, of course, you plot this chart, but I'm just going to Sky News notification there. There we go. You can see, depending on how you plot this chart, you could say, look, we've already broken out. I would argue, look, we're sat just below this level of resistance, and essentially Bitcoin needs to break through this level of resistance that's currently sitting around $39,200. A break of $39,200 means for Bitcoin that things are going to start rallying very, very quickly to the upside, and of course the price of Bitcoin right now is looking very, very good. Now, in terms of how am I trading this market, what am I expecting from here? I'm going to keep scaling my Bitcoin position. I'm going to keep increasing the size of it. Really, if we're going to head back to being full bull again, which is a possibility, like if we break $39,200, the next key level of resistance sits somewhere around $43,000. So at that point in time, it makes sense to have already scaled a large position into Bitcoin. And I'd ideally like to be around $3 million long for the next bull market, because of course a $3 million trade is going to make a lot of money if Bitcoin's price goes up to $60,000, $70,000. It'll look also, I mean, it'd be amazing with that. And it wouldn't be the first time that we've managed to catch something like that either. I want to remind you about the time where we were timing Bitcoin's price bottom back in 2018, on the 18th of December 2018, when I took out my long position on Bitcoin at $3,740. I went 50x long on Bitcoin with, I mean, I sold my car and went 50x long on Bitcoin. And that was the best trade ever. I ended up cashing out around $700,000 from that trade after about 6 months. And because basically the exchange that I was trading on back then shut down my account, which was really, really annoying because it was such a good trade. But nonetheless, like when it comes to Bitcoin right now, we want to make the same decisions as what we made last time. We want to time that bottom absolutely perfectly. And the way that things are shaping up right now, it's all looking very good. Now, I want to show you the 4-hour chart, because on the 4-hour chart, we've got a clear bullish divergence here. Bearish price action, bullish divergence. We're also bullish down here on the RSI and MACD. But it's also important to point out, if we go over to the daily chart right now, the daily is, again, it's looking so good. Look, we are 1 day away, one bullish day away from ticking bullish here on the MACD. All we need to do is break through this resistance level. It's important that we do that, because if we fail to break through resistance, things are going to get very bad very quickly. But $39,200 is the level for Bitcoin to break right now, and I'm longing Bitcoin because I'm expecting that move is going to happen fairly soon. As I said last week, I'm expecting this week will be a bullish week for Bitcoin. I feel like the market has been pushed down and pushed down and pushed down. People are getting increasingly more and more negative, and you've got to learn to trade inversely to whatever emotions you're feeling. If you're feeling bullish, then you should probably be looking to short sometime soon. If you're feeling bearish, you should be looking to long sometime soon. If you don't trade inversely to whatever you're feeling, you end up getting bounced around by the market, making the decision when it seems obvious, and when it seems obvious, it's generally too late, which is important. This is why you get into these things before it takes off, and that's why we're going long on Bitcoin right now, because as far as I'm concerned, this is looking, well, just really generally very nice. Now, if we look at the price of Ethereum right now, Ethereum is currently trading at $2,858. We're in a very similar position. If I zoom in on the Ethereum chart, you can see, look, we've broken now out of this trading range. Now, this is all looking very, very bullish. And again, we have the same bullish divergences here on the RSI. We're bullish down here on the MACD. Everything is looking great. The entire altcoin market really does look like it's going to take off fairly soon. So of course, don't forget, if you are interested in buying altcoins or trading altcoins, check out bybit. You'll find a link in today's video description. Use the one that's /altcoins. If you want to trade Bitcoin, again, check out the link for bybit in today's video description. That is where I'm currently trading my Bitcoin. And if you use the link in today's video description, either one of them, you'll get up to $4,000 for absolutely free. Now, when it comes to the cryptocurrency news today, make sure you check out the video that is going live on the main channel, That Martini Guy. It's going out in just a few hours' time. Not yet filmed it. I'm going to film it after I film this video, and then we've got to edit it. But the reason why we post these videos to this channel is because they require zero editing, and they're most up-to-date. You won't find more up-to-date content than this. Also, we are back to daily uploads on the channel. I've rediscovered my mojo. Only takes Bitcoin to go up 2 or 3%, and then we're back. So have a great day, everyone. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope it was useful for you. If it was, don't forget, smash a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on channel notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.